Anyways, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be breaking down the real story behind the beef about which one is better, which one is worse, who copied who, competitor. That's allegedly what happened and what went down between MotoRadds and the founder of Chinmounts. Back in 2017, MotoRadds launched the first ready-made chin mount for motorcycle helmets. No more zip ties, no more glue, sketchy DIY setups, anything like that. It was clean, plug and play, and took off very fast on Amazon. Then in 2018, the founder gets a DM from an account called Forward to 2020. MotoRad levels up their game again, designing a flexible chin mount to hold them accountable from selling knockoffs, right? Things started getting shady, right? MotoRad started getting fake emails about adhesives, like people saying, lost my camera on the highway. A lot of companies do use that against their competitors.